Health authorities here have recorded yet another first for the region. The opening of the Pacific Eye Institute today is expected to boost the efforts of health authorities in tackling the growing problem of blindness in the region. It should also address our shortage of eye specialists.
The waiting area outside the eye clinic at the CWM hospital tells a story of its own. Every week, hundreds come here in search of specialist eye treatment. Now, thanks to help from the Fred Hollows Foundation of New Zealand, the setting up of the Pacific Eye Institute, based out of Tamavua, as well as this specialist surgery, should solve this backlog.
This operating theatre will relieve the congestion. This theatre will mean that we have more operating times, more patients can be done, so the backlog is reduced quite significantly.
For an area of our health sector that receives very little attention, it should be worth noting that eye problems affect 1% of our entire population. That's just over 8,000 people living with some form of eye disease. It's a problem the health ministry says we can no longer take for granted.
Which means that because it's the change in the lifestyle of people, the eating habit, that's what we're trying to tell people. Eat a lot of fresh fruits and fresh vegetables.
The new Eye Institute will also for the first time offer local medical students access to this specialized area of medicine, which up until now has been lacking.
It means that there's an opportunity to train people in eye health, both doctors and nurses. This is a top-class facility that training can be done in. It also means, in doing that we can really tackle the backlog of blindness. There are many thousands of people in this country who don't need to be blind.
It now goes without saying that with the help of friends like this area of medicine now looks bright. Jeffrey Smith, One National News.